calculus. In this exercise 7.10, 1 mark bits, that is 11th problem. The function sin power of 4x plus cos power of 4x is increasing in the interval. So here one interval, second, third, fourth interval. So which interval is this function increasing? That is the question. So 5 by 8 value how much? 5 by 8. 5 by 8. So 5 into 22.5. This is the 5 by 8. That means 5 by 4 is the 45. Again by 2, 22.5 degrees. So this is approximately 2.5. So even 90. 3/5 by 4 value how much? It is the 135 degrees. So this is also second quadrant. This is second quadrant. This is also second quadrant. This is the first quadrant. First quadrant positive. In this sign negative. In this sign here sign positive. Here also positive. Here positive. Here positive. So for the increasing and decreasing purpose, we derive the given function. First of all, we derive first derivative. So given function is what? Given function is f of x is equal to sin power of 4x plus cos power of 4x. So this function derivative differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Then what coming? Sin power of 4x derivative f dash x is equal to 4 sin cube x and sin x differentiation cos x. Next this cos power of 4 cos cube x. Cos x differentiation minus sin x. Okay. For the increasing decreasing, for increasing or decreasing, we derive for increasing and decreasing or decreasing, then f dash x should be 0. And what is the f dash x? So f dash x 4 sin cube x cos x minus 4 cos cube x sin x is equal to 0. Then what here? In this sin x, here sin x, here cos x, here cos x. 4 common. So 4 sin x cos x taken common outside. The remaining sin square x minus cos square x is equal to 0. Here 2 taken outside. 2 sin x cos x is the sin 2x. This is the sin square minus cos square is the minus cos 2x. Actually cos square minus sin square is the cos 2x. Cos square x minus sin square x is equal to cos 2x is the formula. And 2 sin x cos x is equal to sin 2x is also another formula. So here 2 sin x cos x is equal to sin 2x. Remaining 2 here. This is the minus cos 2x is equal to 0. Again minus take outside. 2 sin 2x cos 2x sin 4x. Sin 4x is equal to 0. Then sin outside it is also 0. Sin 4x is equal to 0. So now here sin 4x is equal to 0 means this general equation 4x is equal to n5. Okay, whereas n belongs to z integers. So first this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. We consider 4x is equal to first time 0, second time 1, 5, third time 3, 5, and next 4, 5, next 5, 5, etc. n 5 up to. So here x is equal to 0 by 4, 0. Here x is equal to 5 by 4. Here 3, 5 by 4. Here 4, 5 by 4 means 5. Here 5, 5 by 4 and etc. n 5 by 4. So here many intervals having. Here intervals you write first. Intervals are number 1 0 to 5 by 4 one interval. After that 5 by 4 to 5 by 2. After this 5 by 2 to 3 5 by 4 and continuously. So we check in these intervals the given function increasing or decreasing. Consider x is equal to, in this between 30 degrees consider 5 by 6. So then what is the f dash x? F dash x is what? F dash x minus sin 4x, minus sin 4x. You check in the 5 by 6 minus sin 4 into x is the 5 by 6. 2 2s, 2 3s. So it is minus sin 2 5 by 3. 2 5 by 3 means 120. Sin 120 positive. So this is less than 0. This is positive, here minus. So it is less than 0. Next another. In this between 5 by 3 60, here 45 90, between value any. Consider x is equal to 5 by 3. Then substitute in f dash x minus sin 4 into x is the 5 by 3. So this value 60 into 4 240 minus sin 240. 240 means which quadrant? 240. 180 to 270, third quadrant. So in the third quadrant sign negative. Negative positive. So here decreasing. Where is the positive? That interval taken as positive. Increasing. So f x is increasing in the interval what we consider 5 by 3 60. So in this interval 5 by 4 comma 5 by 2. In this interval that function is increasing. So which option? Third option is the next. 12th question. The number given by the Rolle's theorem for the function x cube minus 3x square comma x belongs to 0 comma 3. This is the closed interval. By using the Rolle's theorem. Actually, what is the meaning of definition of Rolle's theorem? Suppose f of x be a continuous function. In a closed interval a comma b. So this is the continuous function in closed interval a comma b, with including a and b in between values also. Then it is also fx differentiable function. Differentiable in open interval a comma b. So f of x be a continuous function and f of x differentiable in a b. Then if f of a is equal to f of b, then there exists one value. What is that one value? C belongs to AB. When f dash c is equal to 0. C belongs to AB. One value can be exist here. When exists f dash c is equal to 0. So we check about this concept. Here x a b, a is the 0, b is the 3. So here condition what? F of a is equal to f of b. Come to here solution. Fx is the x cube minus 3x square. Okay. So here a comma b means a comma b is the 0 comma 3. We check f of 0 what? F of 0 is equal to 0 minus 0, 0. F of 3 what? 3 cube minus 3 into 3 square. So this is also 3 cube minus 3 cube is equal to 0. Then f of a is equal to f of b. That means f of 0 is equal to f of 3. That's why it is the continuous function and differentiable function. After that, we find the f dash c. F dash c. That means we derive the function fx is equal to x cube minus 3x square. We differentiate with both sides. F dash x is equal to 3x square minus 6x. So this is the differentiation of function. So next, it equating to 0 by Rolle's theorem. It equating to 0 by Rolle's theorem. By Rolle's theorem. F dash c is equal to 0. Then f dash c is equal to 3c square minus 6c is equal to 0. Here 3c common implies 3c common. Here c minus 2 is equal to 0. Then what are the c values? C is equal to 0 and c minus 2 also 0. Then two values, c is equal to 0 and 2. So which value is suitable in that interval? Which value? 0 and 3 is here, but 0 for primary element belongs to 0 and between 3. We find that. So here 2 is belongs to 0 to 3. So 2 is the right answer. Here next problem 13. The number of given by the mean value theorem for the function 1 by x. Function is the 1 by x. Then x belongs to 1 comma 9 is. So here 4 options. Which one is the correct answer? He asking. So here a comma b 1 comma 9. Given function is f of x is equal to 1 by x given. So actually what is the meaning of mean value theorem? So f of x be a continuous function, be continuous function in a comma b interval, here closed interval, and f of x be differentiable in open interval a comma b. Okay, f of x be a continuous function in a comma b closed interval, f of x be a differentiable in open interval a comma b. Then there exists c belongs to a comma b open interval. So any value in this exists according to the mean value theorem. That means here f of a does not f of a is equal to f of b, no necessary. Both are not equal. If equal also no problem. If it is both are equal, not necessary here. Not necessary. Not necessary. Now f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. So f dash c means what? Tangent. First derivative means tangent at c point. Here difference of y coordinate by difference of x coordinates. This is also slope. How it is slope? We consider any curve here. X axis, y axis, origin. Suppose a point here, a. Okay, this is f of x. This point is a comma f of a. This point is another point b. So this length b. Here this length a. So x coordinate is here a. Here x coordinate b. This point is the b. Y coordinate what? F of b. So you see, join this. This is the line. This line slope difference of y coordinates by difference of x coordinates. F of b minus f of a by b minus a. That's why it is the slope. This is the slope. Okay. And what is the c? F dash c. So f dash c means in between any place. Here tangent. So both tangents, slopes are equal. That's why this formula gave. both are the slope of the tangents. That's why f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. So according to this concept, we find the c value. Now here a comma b is the 1 comma 9. So we check f of b is equal to f of a or not. So f of b, checking f of b is f of 9, f of 1, f of b is the 9, a is the 1. So f of 9, 1 by 9, here f of x is the 1 by xr. So here x is 1 by 9, comma f of 1, 1 by 1. So these are the not equal. So here f of a is not equal to f of b. That means f of 1 is not equal to f of 9. Okay. So according to mean value theorem, f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. So f dash c means what? First derivative. First derivative what here? 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square. Minus 1 by x square. After that, instead of x put c. F of b what? F of b. So 1 by x, it is the 1 by 9 minus f of a 1 by 1 by b 9 minus 1. So here 1 by x square, so positive 1 by x square, 1 by x square means taking c, let x is equal to c. Here what coming? 1 minus, okay now, not x square dash x, minus 1 by x whole square is the positive. 1 minus 9 by 9 minus 1. So it is the 1 by c is equal to dash c square, c square, dash c square is equal to here minus 8 by 9, here 8 cancel, minus 1 by 9. Now this is minus 1 by x square, dash x minus 1 by x square. So this is minus 1 by c square. Here also minus 1 by c square. So next minus 1 by c square is equal to minus 1 by 9. Minus minus cancel. C square is equal to 1 by c square is equal to 9, whereas c is equal to plus or minus 3. So in this minus 3 in this interval having or not belongs to 1 comma 9. So above 1, this is a negative value. 3 consider. This is belongs to 1 comma 9. 1, 2, 3. So this 3 value in this having. That's why 3 is the right option. 14th question. The minimum value of the function mod 3 minus x plus 9 is. Solution. Here f of x is equal to mod of 3 minus x plus 9 is given. So he asking minimum value. So this function domain all real values. X belongs to all real values. So if we give the 0, suppose 0, this value 3 minus 0, 3 coming, 3 plus 9, f of minus 1, 3 minus of minus 1 plus 4, plus 9, 13 coming, here 12 coming, f of 1 how much? 3 minus 1, 2, 2 plus 9, 11. So for any value for x, it is the exist. But according to this value, so here 12, here 13, here 11, variation having. So minimum value where can be exist? So this total value is 0, minimum value 9 coming. Here 12, 13, 11, something going on upside, that only. This is 1, 10 coming in. This is 2, this is 11, this is 3, it is the 9. 3 minus 3, 0. So at x is equal to 3, this value minimum 9 coming. Yet x is equal to 3, then f of 3 is equal to 0 plus 9. So this is the minimum value. Compared to those values, 9 is the least value. So 9 is the right. 15th question. The maximum slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to e power of x sin x. In the interval x is equal to 0, 2, 5, closed intervals. Is at, there are 4 options are there. Which option is suitable? So here asking slope of the tangent is where maximum. So this is the function only. This is the function means it is the curve. Solution: given curve is y is equal to e power of x sin x. This is the curve only. First find the tangent. Tangent equation what? So dy by dx is equal to e power of x uv method. This is u, this is v. U into v derivative cos x plus sin x into e power of x derivative e power of x as it is. So here e power of x common, cos x plus sin x. Okay, this is the slope of the tangent equation. But he asking slope where maximum. So this is the taken as another function. G of x is equal to e power of x into cos x plus sin x. Now this is the slope of the tangent equation. Slope of the tangent equation. This equation first derivative g dash of x. So this derivative what? E power of x into this is u, this is v. Cos x plus sin x. Cos x is the minus sin x plus sin x is the cos x. This derivative over plus cos x plus sin x into e power of x derivative as it is, e power of x. So in this e power of x, in this e power of x having, after common, sin x minus a plus sin x cancelled, remaining e power of x cos x, e power of cos x, 2 e power of x cos x. This is the first derivative, g dash of x. So if it is equal to 0, then x values we getting. So cos x is equal to 0 main, e power of x is equal to 0 not coming. So t 2 outside 0 also, only cos x is equal to 0 possible. So x is equal to 0 where? Cos x is equal to 0 where? X is equal to cos 90 0 and 3 5 by 2, 270 also 0. Outer values also having 5 5 by 2, 7 5 by 2 like that. So here maximum 3 5 by 2 here, minimum 5 by 4 is there. So these are not coming. 5 by 4. Okay. Now second derivative. For the maximum minimum, do the second derivative compulsory. So 2 e power of x cos x differentiation 2 constant e power of x cos x derivative minus sin x plus cos x as it is e power of x derivative e power of x. So here again e power of x common, 2 e power of x into cos x minus sin x common. This is the double derivative. So for maxima minima, for maxima or minima, so f double dash of that first value 5 by 2 check here, f double dash of 5 by 2, whether it is positive or negative, we check that. F double dash of 5 by 2, 2 e power of 5 by 2, 2 e power of 5 by 2, after that cos 5 by 2 minus sin 5 by 2. So this value 2 e power of 5 by 2 cos 90 0, 0, sin 5 by 2 1. So total value negative. This is negative. That's why this value as maximum. So this tangent maximum slope at x is equal to 5 by 2. Here it's enough. If we substitute another values also, it is greater than 0 coming. This also something up to 1, 2, 3, 4 values. So in this values only 5 by 2 is there, 3 5 by 2 also there. 3 5 by 2 put suppose 3 5 by 2 means here cos 270 0, sin 270 minus 1, minus minus plus coming, positive coming. That's why positive means there is the minimum value. So here less than 0 means that is the maximum value. That's why x is equal to 5 by 2 is the correct answer. Second, next 15th question. The maximum slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to e power of x sin x. In the interval x is equal to 0, 2, 5 closed intervals is at. There are 4 options are there. Which option is suitable? So here asking slope of the tangent is where maximum. So this is the function only. This is the function means it is the curve. Solution: given curve is y is equal to e power of x sin x. This is the curve only. First find the tangent. Tangent equation what? So dy by dx is equal to e power of x uv method. This is u, this is v. U into v derivative cos x plus sin x into e power of x derivative e power of x as it is. So here e power of x common, cos x plus sin x. Okay, this is the slope of the tangent equation. But he asking slope where maximum. So this is the taken as another function. G of x is equal to e power of x into cos x plus sin x. Now this is the slope of the tangent equation. Slope of the tangent equation. This equation first derivative g dash of x. So this derivative what? E power of x into this is u, this is v. Cos x plus sin x. Cos x is the minus sin x plus sin x is the cos x. This derivative over plus cos x plus sin x into e power of x derivative as it is e power of x. So in this e power of x, in this e power of x having after common sin x minus f plus sin x cancelled, remaining e power of x cos x, e power of cos x, 2 e power of x cos x. This is the first derivative g dash of x. So if it is equal to 0, then x values we getting. So cos x is equal to 0 main, e power of x is equal to 0 not coming. So t 2 outside 0 also, only cos x is equal to 0 possible. So x is equal to 0 where? Cos x is equal to 0 where? X is equal to cos 90 0 and 3 5 by 2 270 also 0. Outer values also having 5 5 by 2 7 5 by 2 like that. So here maximum 3 5 by 2 here, minimum 5 by 4 is there. So these are not coming 5 by 4. Okay. Now second derivative for the maximum minimum, do the second derivative compulsory. So 2 e power of x cos x differentiation 2 constant e power of x cos x derivative minus sin x plus cos x as it is e power of x derivative e power of x. So here again e power of x common, 2 e power of x into cos x minus sin x common. This is the double derivative. So for maxima minima, for maxima or minima, so f double dash of that first value 5 by 2 check here, f double dash of 5 by 2, whether it is positive or negative, we check that. F double dash of 5 by 2, 2 e power of 5 by 2, 2 e power of 5 by 2, after that cos 5 by 2 minus sin 5 by 2. So this value 2 e power of 5 by 2 cos 90 0 0 sin 5 by 2 1. So total value negative. This is negative. That's why this value as maximum. So this tangent maximum slope at x is equal to 5 by 2. Here it's enough. If we substitute another values also, it is greater than 0 coming. This also something up to 1, 2, 3, 4 values. In these values only 5 by 2 is there. 3, 5 by 2 also there. 3, 5 by 2 put suppose 3, 5 by 2 means here cos 270 0. Sin 270 minus 1 minus plus coming positive coming. That's why positive means there is the minimum value. So here less than 0 means that is the maximum value. That's why x is equal to 5 by 2 is the correct answer. Second question number 16. The maximum value of the function x square e power of minus 2x and x greater than 0. X not negative. So x positive, not 0 also, above 0. So here given function solution f of x is equal to x square e power of minus 2x. So for this maximum minima, first derivative, second derivative compulsory. So f dash x is equal to x square into uv method, this e power of minus 2x into minus 2. So this is uv dash plus again e power of minus 2x into x square derivative 2x. So here after multiplication minus 2x square e power of 2x plus 2x e power of minus 2x. Okay, x square e power of minus 2x derivative e power of minus 2x into minus 2 plus this is e power of minus 2x, this is derivative 2x. After this minus 2x square e power of minus 2x plus 2x into e power of minus 2x. This is the f dash x. So for the maxima minimum finding, f dash x is equal to should be 0. F dash x is equal to 0, then here minus 2x square e power of minus 2x plus 2x e power of minus 2x is equal to 0. So what common here? 2x common, e power of minus 2x common. 2x common, e power of minus 2x common. So this is 1, this is minus, here only x remaining. This common, only x common. X is there, is equal to 0. So here x having, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 having from this. So two values. So here x greater than 0 asking. So x greater than 0 means x is equal to only 1 is possible. No need of second derivative also. Already only two values. X is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. But in the question x greater than 0 asking. Greater than 0 means only one value having. So at 1 this function has the maximum value. At x is equal to 1 f of x has the maximum value. So now we substitute in the f what f of x is equal to x square e power of minus 2x. F of 1 is equal to 1 square e power of minus 2 into 1. 1 square is the 1, e power of minus 2 is the 1 by e power of 2. 1 by e square is the right answer. Next 17 question. One of the closest point on the curve x square minus y square is equal to 4 to the point 6, 0 is. So 4 options are there. So which point is the close to that curve? Closest point means nearest distance. Suppose this is the curve like this. So that 6, 0. 6, 0, suppose here 6, 0. This is the A point. Which point on the curve is the nearest to the curve? So like this. Number of points here like this. Anyhow, any point choose here P point. That point is let us x, y. Nearest point is the P. Let us. Solution. Any point on the curve is P of x, y. So this distance P to A, how much? The distance between A, the distance between P and A is PA. That PA value got distance of x minus 6 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. So this is the function in terms of x and y. So here PA is equal to x minus 6 whole square, nothing but x square plus 36 minus 12x, this is the y square. So from the equation x square minus y square is equal to 4 given. So y square value x square minus 4. We converted to x terms, y in terms of x. So PA is equal to x square plus 36 minus 12x, y square is the x square minus 4. So here x square 2x square, this over minus 12x here, 36 minus 4 plus 32 under root. So let PA is the one variable taken as z. So squaring on both sides, z square, squaring on both sides, z square is equal to 2x square minus 12x plus 32. So for the maximum minima, first derivative should be 0. 2z and z dash is equal to 2x square is the 4x minus 12 plus 32. 0, 32 is the 0. So this is for the maxima minima r minima, f dash x is equal to 0. Then what 4x is equal to minus 12 is equal to 0, whereas x is equal to 3. Only single value getting x is equal to 3. Then it is the maximum or minimum at x is equal to 3. We check the second derivative also. Second derivative of this 2z z dash is the 2z 2 into z dash, second derivative is double dash plus z dash again z dash. So don't think about this derivative what coming 4. So it is positive. So no x terms here. That's why we are not able to substitute 3 in this. So automatically at x is equal to 3, f has z has minimum value. Minimum value means here shortest distance, very closest distance. That's why x is equal to 3 is the coordinate. Then y is what? If x is equal to 3, then y is the x square minus y square is equal to 4. We substitute here. X square is the 9 minus y square is equal to 4. 9 minus 4 is equal to y square. Y square is equal to 5. Then y is equal to plus or minus root 5. So in this, so 3 and root 5 1. 3 and minus root 5 1. In this root 5 minus not given. Only suitable value in this for 3 only here only. After that 3 root 5. This is the suitable answer. Third option. Question number 18. The maximum value of the product of two positive numbers when their sum of the square is 200 is. Here positive numbers. So let two positive numbers x and y. After that, what is the given? 200 is the squares of the numbers. Sum of the squares. X square plus y square is equal to 200 given. From this, y square is equal to 200 minus x. Then y is equal to under root of 200 minus x square. So this is the y in terms of x. But maximum value of the product. What product? Let us z is equal to xy. X into y is the product. That is the other function in terms of z. Z in terms of xy this. So y is converted to x terms. So z is equal to x into y is what? Under root of 200 minus x square. This is the product in terms of x, z in terms of x. So first derivative, after first derivative what coming? Z dash for maxima minima. For maxima or minima, we should do the first derivative is equal to 0. What is the first derivative? X into UV method. This is the root, this root derivative 1 by 2 root of 200 minus x square, again inner derivative 200 0 x square minus 2x. So 2 cancel here. After that this is silent, 200 minus x square. After that is x derivative 1. It is equal to 0. Then what here after LCM, 200 minus x square under root is the LCM. Remaining what? Minus x, here x, minus x square. Okay. Plus this root to this root same. That's why root cancelled. 200 minus x square coming is equal to 0. Then this outside 0 minus 2x square. This 200 outside minus 200. So minus 2 cancel, here minus 100. Yes. X square is equal to 100. Then x is equal to 10. And x is equal to 10. Only x value 10 coming only. So at that 10, it is the maxima or minima. We check that. For the maxima and minima, again we do the differentiation, second derivative. After this, what coming? Second integration. Here x is equal to 10 value came. I think x is equal to 10. It is the maximum value coming. I think suppose roughly y square is equal to what? 200 minus x square. Minus x square is the 10 square 100. Y square is equal to 100. So y is equal to also 10. So x into y, 10 into 10. So 100. So this is the maximum value. It is the better way. No need of second derivative. Only x value 10 coming. Automatically it is the maximum. 19th question. 19th. The curve y is equal to x power of 4 plus bx square with ab greater than 0. So given function y is equal to ax4 plus bx square. For the tangency or concave differentiation need dy by dx. Find 4ax cube plus 2bx, this differentiation. So if we take the equating to 0, then dy by dx 0 means x value is coming. So here what common? 2x common, 2a x square plus b is equal to 0. So here x is equal to 0 and 2a x square plus b is equal to 0. X square is equal to minus b by 2a. So only x is equal to 0 value is there. X square is equal to minus b by a. 2a means there a b greater than 0 na. A greater than 0, b greater than 0, then a b greater than 0. Otherwise a less than 0, b less than 0, a b greater than 0. So he minus minus positive, here negative coming. Here negative negative, positive coming, here negative. That's why here this value does not exist. So at x is equal to 0, at x is equal to 0 means dy by dx is equal to 0. So slope 0, slope 0 means horizontal line is there, but first option has no horizontal tangent given. So this is the wrong option, first one. Next, for the concave up, concave down, we derivate again second derivative. D square y by dx square is equal to this first derivative consider. Again 4 into 3, 12 a x square plus 2b. Here it is also taken as 0. Then 12, 2 common, 6a x square plus b is equal to 0. So x square is equal to minus b by 6a. So this is not possible. X does not exist. X does not exist. That's why no concave up, no concave down. These two options are wrong. And there is no point of inflection also. Has no point of inflection. Has no point of inflection. That's why here fourth option is right. 20 question. The point of inflection of the curve y is equal to x minus 1 whole cube is. So given curve y is equal to x minus 1 whole cube. For the point of inflection, second derivative compulsory. So dy by dx is equal to 3 into x minus 1 whole square, x minus 1 derivative 1. After that d square y by dx square. So 3 into 2, 6 x minus 1. So x minus 1 derivative also 1. For the point of inflection taken as 0. So 6 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. 6 cut x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 1. So at x is equal to 1, point of inflection there. We get the x is equal to 1 value. At x is equal to 1 value, y value what? Y is equal to x minus 1 whole cube. So y is 1 minus 1 whole cube. This is 0. Y is equal to 0. Then the point of inflection is 1, 0. So third option is the right answer.